What if you lived on Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun? Could you survive the harshest conditions in the solar system, or would you be toast in seconds? Imagine stepping out onto Mercury's surface. The landscape is barren, rocky, and completely alien. There's no sign of life, no plants, no water, and not even a hint of an atmosphere to breathe. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of just 58 million kilometers. But here's a surprise. Despite being so close, Mercury isn't actually the hottest planet in the solar system. That title goes to Venus, thanks to its thick toxic atmosphere that traps heat like a giant oven. But don't get comfortable. Mercury is still extreme in every way. With no air, no water, and no weather, Mercury's surface is a lifeless, rocky wasteland. But what really sets it apart are its wild temperature swings. During the day, temperatures soar to a blistering 430 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead and destroy most materials we use on Earth. But as soon as the sun sets, the heat vanishes. At night, temperatures plummet to minus 180 degrees Celsius, far colder than the coldest places on Earth, even Antarctica's icy heart. That's because Mercury has no real atmosphere to trap heat. Instead, it has a thin exosphere made of atoms blasted off its surface by solar radiation, which offers no protection at all. So living there? Almost impossible. The lack of air means you couldn't breathe, and the wild temperature swings would kill you in seconds. You'd either freeze solid or burn up almost instantly, depending on whether you were in sunlight or shadow. Even time works differently on Mercury. A single day from one sunrise to the next lasts about 176 Earth days. The sun would rise, slowly crawl across the sky, and even appear to move backward before rising again, thanks to Mercury's strange rotation and orbit. You could actually watch the sun rise, set, and then rise again in the same day, a truly bizarre sight. Gravity is also much weaker than on Earth. You'd weigh only about 38% of your Earth weight, so you could jump higher and carry heavy loads with ease. For example, if you weigh 40 kilograms on Earth, you'd tip the scales at just 15 kilograms on Mercury. So, could you really live on Mercury? With today's technology, it's just not possible. The planet is simply too extreme and unforgiving for humans. Maybe in the distant future, with super advanced technology, climate-controlled bases, and powerful radiation shields, we could build a home here. But for now, Mercury remains a place for robots and dreams.